Hello, this is a video on Micheal additions or 1,4 conjugate additions. This reaction, the Micheal addition or the conjugate 1,4 addition, has to start with an alpha beta unsaturated ketone where we add our Micheal donor that could either be enolates or, for example, this R2 copper lithium reagent to the beta position. You shift the pi bond to the carbonyl alpha position, and then you break the pi bond and place it on the O, so that you end up with so I'm gonna write Micheal donor, just like so. And then there's a second acid workup step where these electrons come down to form a pi bond, and this pi bond attacks a hydronium to form this final product. And I will show an example. With this alpha beta unsaturated ketone, an enolate could add 1,2 directly to make an aldol, or 1,4. In order to perform the 1,4 reaction, we'd add the enolate here at the beta carbon. The pi bond will shift, and these pi bonds will break and go to the oxygen, so that we have this intermediate. And then here's where the second step, which is the protonation step, occurs, where this comes down and this attacks a hydronium, so that we can have this final product. Just like so. And so, in conclusion, it's a one step, which is your Micheal donor. In this case, it was our enolate, and two-step acidic workup. A useful reaction is using this copper lithium molecule to alkylate at the beta position, because this R2 could easily be Me2 or Et2. Using this addition here, 1,4, and this Micheal donor exclusively adds 1,4, we're able to attack it here, this R2 CuLi, and for our cases, let's think of it as Me, so a methyl. We shift this pi bond breaks and goes to the oxygen, and we only add one R, so just Me like this. And then what happens is that this comes down and this attacks our hydronium from our acid workup step, whereby we produce this Micheal product. Thank you.